I don't know if anybody's going to show up today or not.
Yeah, I was like, I know it's on my calendar, but if it's on the Edgy calendar, then it's real.
It's on the Edgy calendar.
Yeah. I've still been poking around in Hugo with the blog thing.
Hmm.
It's surprisingly hard to find straightforward documentation. I'm trying to figure out how to make it display authors.
Oh.
We're using a custom theme that we built for Data Together, apparently, and therefore have no features.
Yeah. Also, the templating for Hugo is kind of painful. I haven't worked on it in a while, but yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's the greatest system, but that's me.
Honestly, it's kind of fun to do technical work. It's been a while.
Yeah. Well, that's good then, I guess. Yeah, it'll be good to have that cleaned up.
It's got that characteristic, like little sections of commented out HTML. It's my favorite.
And in all the existing stuff? Oh, wow. I haven't really ever looked at the source for the site at all, actually.
Anything you want to cover in a cross-team dev meeting? Probably needs Brendan, right?
Yeah, probably. I'm not sure there's really anything particularly meaningful to go over right now. Yeah, I'm trying to go to the Civic Hack Nights here. There wasn't one last week, but I went to the one the week before, and I'm going to it again tonight to see if we can get anybody interested there. But otherwise, yeah, I don't know if there's anything to report. I wrote some feedback on his pull request for walk. And I'm sure if Dan ever got around to doing anything with it, but I tried to give it a good run.
We're doing we decided for the meetup for DWF that'll be every last Thursday of the month, which means that there's one this week, which we just announced yesterday. But we're just gonna like hang out in a space, and I'm trying to figure out how much I should prep for that. If I should have like note cards with topics on them, or if we just show up and people will talk to each other and that's fine.
Wait, what's that? What's that for?
The decentralized web meetup.
Oh, okay. It's different from the proto school thing.
No, it's the same one.
Oh, okay.
It's just, I don't know, calling it proto school was maybe a little bit limiting, but I think we're intending to be more broadly DWeb. It's just that every time proto school comes out with tutorials, we'll definitely use them.
Yeah, I think it's very good to not be proto school focused. I guess I have a lot of I won't say anything about that.
Okay.
I have feelings about that, but Rob has feelings and prior experiences and other bullshit.
Basically, I want there to be a place for people to come and do decentralized web tutorials of any kind. And
that'd be great.
Proto School is going to take a while anyway to put out the next stuff. Well, they'll put out stuff for IPFS Camp, and then they'll take a while. But yeah, we'll probably do talk nights soon. I'm hoping to get our first meetup had a couple folks who developed Filecoin, and a whole bunch of people there were like, tell me about Filecoin. So maybe we can have them come do a session, but they don't have any tutorials yet or like documentation really.
Have you done much about non-Protocol Labs DWeb projects?
Uh, no, and I would love recommendations if you know of ones with good tutorials.
I think good tutorials in this space, I don't really know.
I mean, like, it's pretty much Protocol Labs and DAT, right?
In terms of like distributed web, yeah. There's also Secure Scuttlebutt, which is more sort of messaging oriented, but you can still like twist it in some interesting ways. And I think if people are interested in the idea of like distributed peer-to-peer web and communications type stuff, it's good to like talk about all those sorts of technologies. Plus there's all the more like proprietary ones like storage and MadeSafe and all these other things, but like to understand the models of them and how they work and how they're different and what the trade-offs of doing those different things are, it's like a super good thing.
Do you know how the DAT project's doing?
I don't really. I used to know both Max and Jessica really well. I don't know if you know the whole.
I know Max.
Yeah, well,
I've met Jessica, but I did see that story.
Yeah, I met them both around the same time back in 2012, and we were all friends and colleagues. And so when that whole story came out, it was kind of a new mess, and I sort of like I stepped back from anything paying a whole lot of attention to DAT and also to what Max was doing. So
yeah, I'm kind of wondering if a lot of people did, and that might have killed DAT.
I mean, from talking to Brendan, because he's kept in touch with the folks over there and says he feels like they've done a good job of sort of separating off from that and continuing to go a productive path and sort of a path that does not need to involve Max very much and with good people at the helm. So I'm interested in like getting back into it and catching up with it. But
yeah, I'm hoping and anticipating that there will be folks from the project at DWeb Camp. They said they were going to publish a list of attendees, or like they sent an email that said, "Let us know if you don't want to be listed."
Oh, was that in that email with like proposed talks and things? And I just missed that?
Is it possible?
Okay.
I'm not really sure.
I think I've only gotten one email.
Oh, it has a tab called People now.
On the DWeb Camp website?
Oh, hey, Dawn is coming.
Yeah, cool. That's nice.
Oh, this is cool, actually. Here. Unless you're already on the site.
Oh, yeah. I totally do not remember seeing anything about having my face listed, but that's fine.
Wait, are you listed with a picture?
Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. Is that organizers? Okay.
Oh, but you are listed.
I am listed. Dawn is a project lead.
But of course. Yeah, I'm curious what she's doing.
Well, I think she's super involved in like CCC and other stuff in the space too, so I guess that makes sense.
Yeah. This will be really interesting. All right, well, this was good.
Yeah, I guess.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. All right. So we should.
See you around.
Yeah. Bye.